In today's video, we are making an amazing turkey burger, simple and delicious. And of course with the burger, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a very easy sauce that works so well with the turkey meat. And if you're first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because I have a new easy recipe coming every single Friday. Simple, delicious, homemade, enjoy the content.
For this recipe you need 400 grams of turkey meat. If you find something with a higher percentage of fat is ideal, like dark turkey meat. If not, you can use breast, the same like I do, and you can adjust. I'll show you how, just watch the recipe step by step. The turkey meat has a neutral taste, that's why we need to combine it with other ingredients in order to make it flavorful. So we start with the spring onion. This will bring a soft onion flavor and the freshness we like into the burgers. And if you don't have spring onion, you can consider using a quarter of shallots, you should get similar results. We follow with 2 cloves of garlic. Chop them finely and add half teaspoon of salt, and using the blade of your chef knife, press and scrape against the chopping board until you get to a paste consistency. With the garlic ready, I highly recommend you adding some mayo. In this case, I'm using a large tablespoon of homemade mayo, but the shop bought one will definitely do. And what this basically does is replacing the lack of fat content from the turkey meat. It also helps giving a better color on the patties when pan frying them. As seasoning, we're not going to be adding any more salt, because we added enough when preparing the garlic, but a pinch of freshly grounded black pepper is definitely needed. To hold and absorb the moisture into the patties, we are adding 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. These also help keeping the patties into shape. As mentioned earlier, there is not much going on flavor-wise when it comes to the turkey meat, so we need something pungent like Dijon mustard in order to make it standing. Consider adding a different type of mustard if you feel like this one is too strong. Dive in with your hands and mix the ingredients until well combined. I'm not adding cheese to this recipe today, but if you want to, you can consider adding 2 tablespoons of Gruyère cheese. It's a really nice flavor. Separate the mixture into 3 similar parts and gently form each one into 1 inch thick patty. Try to get this done at the same thickness using your hands. A burger press is not ideal in this situation as the mixture is sticky and soft. Ideally, when you have the mixture ready, you should place it in the fridge for about an hour so it firms up. It's a lot easier to make the patties this way, but we never really have the time and we get straight into it. Once we got the mixture into the shape we want, wrap the patties and place them into the fridge until we get ready the rest of the ingredients. As burger sauce, we are making an avocado mayo, and for this you need a ripened avocado. Cut the avocado in half and scoop the inside either with a spoon, or you can simply remove that tough skin and place it into a blender. With this we are adding about 3 tablespoons of mayo, together with the juice from a half lime. The acid from the lime will prevent the avocado from oxidizing that fast, plus we'll cut through some of that fat that comes from the mayo, balancing our sauce. My homemade mayo has enough salt already, so all I'm adding is freshly grounded black pepper, but if you're using a shop bought one, you should consider a pinch of salt. Put the lid on and blend until the mayo and the avocado form a silky consistency similar to a mousse. Well, I guess I should have this blender plugged into a socket in order to make it work, right? Finally getting it right, let's spin the blade. And this is the consistency you're looking for, nice and smooth. And definitely enough for 3 burgers. Now let's move on to the rest of the ingredients. Now to the actual toppings that we are going to be using for this turkey burger. A nice ripen tomato. We will need about 2-3 slices per burger, a ramekin of the avocado mayo we prepared earlier, wild rocket and gathered red onion and slightly thinly. I am going to be kind of basic when it comes to toppings, but you can also consider adding cheese, bacon, and there are endless possibilities. Same when it comes to sauce, this is just an example, so just use whatever you like. Actually, let me know in the comments down below, what is your favorite topping when it comes to burgers. Now get the turkey patty out the fridge. You can already tell they are slightly firmer than they used to. Set a pan on medium-high heat and add about 2 tablespoons of veg oil, and now you are ready for frying. We are going to be cooking this burger patty onto the pan for about 2 minutes on each side, or until it forms a nice golden crust. Don't go with a higher temperature that we already got. The outside layer should still have a greenish color on the spring onion. After this, we are transferring the burger into the oven to a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. You've got to make sure that the core temperature of the burger is 75 degrees Celsius or higher. The burger bun is got to be toasted. That's where all the flavor is. Cut it in half and place it in the same pan where you cook the burger. Cook it for about 3-4 minutes or until it starts getting golden. This really makes the difference, and apart from retaining all the nice flavor from the pan, it has a nice crispy texture. Now that we've got everything ready, let's put everything together, starting with the avocado mayo. Spread these on both sides of the bun, and if you're using cheese, do it only on the bottom one because the top one will have the melted cheese. Add 2-3 slices of tomato, and after that as much onion as you can take. A nice juicy patty goes on top, and if you're hungry, go with 2. And to finish our burger, we're gonna be adding some wild rocket, just drizzle it a bit with some extra virgin olive oil. And my friends, here we have it, homemade turkey burger, just the way we like it.
That was today's recipe, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and check out the videos on my channel like this one up here, and share these with your friends and your family. Show them how to make an easy burger. I'll see you in the next one. You keep watching and I'll keep cooking.